This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
I'm Faye Fredericks with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. The latest numbers on coronavirus cases in our state coming in from the state health department. Saturday, 3,400 cases reported. Arizona surpassing 100 deaths as well, with 108 reported. Number of cases growing by more than 280 since Friday. And starting tomorrow, we'll be getting more information about coronavirus cases here in Arizona, including the patient's zip codes and the ages and gender of those who've passed away, and the race and ethnicity of patients. Additionally, the State Department of Health Services will be providing daily updates about the number of ICU beds available and how many are being used by coronavirus patients. Citizen soldiers from the Arizona National Guard loading PPE into a van headed to the Navajo Nation. PPE standing for personal protective equipment that includes masks and gloves, gowns, and more, all to help protect frontline workers and also people vulnerable to the virus. The Navajo Nation has been hit incredibly hard by COVID-19, joining the ranks of New York and New Jersey when it comes to cases per number of people. St. Mary's Food Bank making some changes to keep up with the demand as of late. The food bank seeing between 12 and 1,500 families each day. Starting Monday, they plan to reduce their drive-through hours on weekdays, so they have more time to build boxes and prepare for the next day. The new hours are 8:30 to 1:30 at their main locations in Phoenix and Surprise. St. Mary is also switching to a 100% drive-through system, with volunteers loading the food into trucks or truck beds. Clients are being asked to stay in their cars and have their IDs ready so the process can be quick and easy. If you're looking for a way to pass the time with your family, you may want to check out the bakery at Bashas'. Their creation stations are stocked with icing and sprinkles, as well as undecorated cookies and cupcakes. Everything you might need to create some wonderful edible art.
Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. We are expecting a pleasant Easter Sunday here in the valley, but a chilly start with temperatures climbing into the mid and upper 70s by the afternoon. So if you're going to do some Easter egg hunts in the backyard, for example, in the morning, bundle up. It will be a bit chilly, at least to start off the day, but then warming up nicely. Tonight, lows in the 20s and 30s up in the high country. Another freeze in the Grand Canyon and Flagstaff, 30s and 40s elsewhere across northern Arizona, with 50s across central and western part of the state. And Easter Sunday, still chilly up to the north in Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon, and Sedona, where the chance of rain picks up throughout the afternoon and evening, looking dry for at least southern parts of the state tomorrow. Here is the most accurate 7-day forecast. You see that chance for showers returning on Monday at 20%. Otherwise breezy, highs in the upper 70s. We're back up to 80 on Tuesday, and we stay dry for much of next week. And those highs rebound a little more Wednesday and Thursday, eventually back in the mid to upper 80s.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.